What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. We're going to begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the eyes. Now we want to leave a large gap in between, so we start on the left side with a straight line going out. Let's line this up all the way over on the right side and do the same thing. Now when you go back to the left side and draw a large oval going up toward the top of the eye, and then pull that back in towards the inside of that line. So you start by going up towards the top, round out the eye, and then come down towards the bottom. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going all the way up towards the same height, round out the eye, then bring that down. Let's draw a thin oval for the iris in the center of each eye. We're going to tuck this in behind that bottom line. So we start on the left, go all the way up toward the top, comes down towards the bottom, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, and then back down. Let's add a curve along the top for highlight. And then in the center of the iris, we'll draw a small, thin oval for the pupils, right in the middle. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center left, start with a point, draw the top of the nose, bring this in and then up the middle, go back to the left, come in and then down. And then just underneath the nose, we're going to draw a straight line across the top of the mouth. And we want to line up at the center of the pupils, straight across towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, we're going to bend the mouth, coming down and then in towards the bottom, round out the mouth, and go up towards the right. Now inside the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the tongue. Let's add those shadow lines across the bottom of the eye. It looks like a Z going up in an angle. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's go all the way back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start on the outside, just above the eye. We curve this up, and then bend that down. Let's round out the corner of the hat and go up toward the side. Go back to the left side and draw that same curve, going up and then down. Now from the side of the hat brim, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down the jaw. So start with the left, bring it down to right about there, and do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the jaw, come down an angle just underneath the mouth, and then we're going to round out the chin, go up in an angle toward the right, and then round out the jaw. In between the eyes, we're going to add that hair coming down from the hat. Let's start on the top left, come down with an angled line, go back up and in towards the middle, and bend this out and then down, bend this out and then up. And then from the side, we're going to draw the eyebrow, bending this in and then down around the eyes. Now going back up to the top of the hat brim, draw a straight line going up, and we'll bend that in slightly towards the top. Go back to the left side, we're going to round up the hat. Going up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down. Let's add a trim across the bottom, starting back on the left, and go up in the middle, and then down. Now in the center of the hat, we're going to draw a small half circle, going up and down. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw a larger half circle, going up toward the top, and then back down. Now we're going to go halfway down the side of the head, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Let's line that up on the right, come down and out with a short line. And then from here we curve the ear, coming down and then in towards the jaw. Let's add a fold, curve this around and in like a hook. And then we're going to tuck the hair in along the side of the head. Let's start from the corner of the hat, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. And then we're going to add a point, coming back in. Let's bend the hair going out and then down towards another point on the side. And then we're going to bend this in and then down just beside the ears. And then on the left side, we're gonna add one more point. We're gonna go up and out, and down and in towards the jaw. And then on the right side, we're gonna add a few more points. We'll go up and out, and we'll bend this down and then in just underneath the jaw. Let's add 2 points across the bottom. And bend this down, send that back up. Now we'll add one smaller point. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.